Hello folks. There is so much happening around in 2020. Storms, floods, earthquakes, the earth shaking disease. No, let's not talk of that. Let's think happy thoughts. And happy thoughts means happy occasions, and Christmas is just around the corner. Hopefully, Santa Claus isn't affected by this disease and fingers crossed is able to deliver gifts this year. But we have to end this not so good year on a good note. What can we do? Tweet Christmas? Nice! Stoneage Box updated its level and is talking about tweeting. Nope, pretty sure it's not that kind of tweet. You know, before Twitter came about, tweet means the chirp of young birds. So, basically Christmas is the festival of joy and giving, sharing and caring. A Christmas tree is set up at homes and gifts are shared amongst family and friends. This time, let's give a twist to the sharing part. Try setting up a Christmas tree outside. We don't have to physically set up a Christmas tree outside, but find a tree outside our house and hang small nuts and fruits and small cups with water. It's actually a Christmas tree for the birds, and the gifts are the variety of bird food that they'll be getting. It's not going to be expensive, and it'll look really pretty. During these times when trees are being cut down, birds lose their homes. And since we are indirectly responsible for this happening, it actually makes sense that we do something directly or indirectly to save the birds before they become angry birds and take revenge like how they show in movies. That's not going to happen, of course. So, this Christmas, let's celebrate with these little original tweeters. Let them wander freely and let's provide what we can to make their natural habitat a better place for them. So, until we meet you next time, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Team Stoneage Box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.